friend of me is EMPORIA Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration features on this device. First of all, go into All Apps, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then you need to choose Sound and Vibration over here, in this case Sound. And click on this switcher next to Vibrate Focus. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Now tap on Shortcut to prevent ringing, and over here you can set up Vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back, scroll down and click on Advanced. Now you need to scroll down again and click on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibrations and touch Vibrations to turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!